Right guys, welcome to the channel. It's 2:40 in the morning in the UK. Night out, up again. Sleep all over the place. Yeah, I just done a video and done this video that I'm doing now. Kind of like what I meant to do, but I realised I left my earphones plugged in, so it had no sound. So I'm gonna do a quick video, really quick video. A quick word. Yeah, I hope you all having a good I hope you've all had a good evening anyway, and you're all safe and well and everything. So yeah, let's just go over a quick scripture, and it's Matthew chapter 5, and it's verse 13 to verse 20. And it's salt and light and the fulfillment of the law. I'm just going over salt and light at first. It says, you are the salt of the earth, but if the salt loses its saltiness, how can it be made salty again? It is no longer good for anything except to be thrown out and trampled underfoot. You are the light of the world. A town built on a hill cannot be hidden. Neither do people light a lamp and put it under a bowl. Instead, they put it on its stand, and it gives light to everyone in the house. In the same way, let your light shine before others, that they may see your good deeds and glorify your Father in heaven. That's salt and light, guys. Matthew chapter 5, verse 13 to verse 16. Now you got fulfillment of the law, verse 17 to verse 20. Do not think that I have come to abolish the law or the prophets. I have not come to abolish them, but to fulfill them. For truly I tell you, until heaven and earth disappear, not the smallest letter, nor not the least stroke of a pen will by any means disappear from the law until everything is accomplished. Therefore, anyone who sets aside one of the least of these commands and teaches others accordingly will be called least in the kingdom of heaven. But whoever practices and teaches these commands will be called great in the kingdom of heaven. For I tell you that unless your righteousness surpasses that of the Pharisees and the teachers of the law, you will certainly not enter the kingdom of heaven. That's it, guys. That's salt and light and the fulfillment of the law. Matthew chapter 5, verse 13 to verse 20. So that's it. That's all I want to go over. That's all I want to go over. I already went over it, but left my earphones in like a plonker, and so yeah, I didn't get to record it with any sound, which is obviously no good. So I had to do it again, even though I didn't want to. I had to do it again. Yeah. What else, guys? God, I need to brush my teeth. My teeth are looking a bit yellow. Let myself go the last day or two. But yeah, my hair's, at least I've had a shave though. At least I've had a shave. Hair's not looking too bad either. It's a bit long at the back and sides. Probably could do with a cut, but I think I'm just going to grow it out for now. I think for now I'm going to grow it out anyway. Until it gets to the point where it really has to be cut, kind of thing. Do you know what I mean? I'm not going to let it get like a werewolf at the back and sides, but still, it's all right for now anyway. Yeah, tomorrow I've got a bit of tidying up to do. I've got washing up to do, washing to do, bit of tidying up in the house. Got to also get in the Word, read a bit of the Bible. I suppose I've just done that really, but I more read it and didn't really pay attention to it, to be honest. I need to read it and pay attention to it. But yeah, I've got to pray tomorrow as well. So I've got a bit to do tomorrow, a bit of tidying up around my flat as well, so I've got a bit to do. So I'm not going to get much rest tomorrow, but I've got rest on Is it Saturday and Sunday, which is good. And I'll be back on my course as far as I know in the week. But I've got a couple of days or so of rest, which I'm really pleased about because I've been bashing the book so hard lately. It's been beyond a joke. With the software testing assessment and then the resit for the object oriented programming. It's been a bit of a nightmare how much work I've had to do recently, but oh well, you got to do what you got to do, eh? And hopefully, fingers crossed, the object oriented programming. I don't know if I've passed or not. I mean, it's hard to say. I think I've done better than the first time, so any improvements are plus because I got another resit still. So hopefully, I can improve and pass, or if I don't pass, I'll know where I've gone wrong and can pass on the last resit. God willing, touch wood, please God. Do you know what I mean? So yeah, hopefully, do you know what I mean? But I'm hoping I pass this time around. I really am. I don't know how it's gonna go. It could have gone either way, to be honest with you. I just don't know. So we're gonna see. Software testing, I didn't do that well on that. Yeah, I didn't do that well on the software testing, but got a couple of resits on that. So hopefully I'll put a lot of revision into that when the time comes, and like if I can, do you know what I mean? If it's the Lord's will, I'll put a lot of effort into that, and hopefully pass. If not, improve, and then hopefully pass on the last resit. Software testing is going to be one of the hardest, I think, because I really did try on that unit. I really did revise quite a bit, and I still failed. So I know it's going to be a tough one. Gonna have to keep revising. Just gonna have to revise hard. I don't want to fail now because I put so much effort into this course. If I failed it, I would be gutted, absolutely gutted. So I put so much work into it. We're on the we've done 3 modules now, so we're on the 4th module. 7 modules altogether, so pretty much halfway through. So it's gone quick. Do you know what I mean? I think the course ends in about January or February, so it's gonna go quick. But yeah, I'm just praying. Please God, please, please, praying I pass, because this course will really help me. Do you know what I mean? It really will. Having another level 3 course under my belt, particularly in like programming or software development, whatever you want to call it, it will help a lot. Do you know what I mean? Because my other level 3 course, it was only an AS level. It wasn't an A level. Well, actually, I don't know. Yeah, it was an AS level. It wasn't an A level. So even though it was level 3, the principles of ICT one, it wasn't. It weren't a full level 3 course. So this will be my first full level 3 course, although I have got a Python certification, which probably is the equivalent of level 3, but I'd say so anyway, probably, but I don't know, because it's a specific certification in Python through the Python Institute, so I don't really know what it's the equivalent of. But yeah, guys, I'm just praying to pass this course. This is an important one. This is it's hard. It's hard for a reason. Do you know what I mean? It's gotta pass this test. I'm praying to do anyway. If I fail it, I'll be absolutely gutted. But at the same time, we have to just carry on and dust ourselves off and do what we can do, because some things are meant for us, some things aren't. So we'll just see how it goes. But I'm going to give it my best shot, that's for sure. If it's the Lord's will, I'm going to revise hard for the software testing module reset, and hopefully pass it. I'm going to revise really hard for that one, because I revised a bit before for it, and quite a bit, and I failed. So I realise how hard it is, so I've got to really put the effort in on that one. Subject oriented programming one, I hope I've passed. I don't know, it could go either way, it's hard to say, but I'll find out how I've done. So even if I failed the last reset, fingers crossed, hopefully, touch wood, I should pass with a bit of luck, but I can't say for sure. I don't know, do you know what I mean? But I think I've got the better chance of passing the object oriented programming one than I have the software testing, but we'll see how it goes, do you know what I mean? I'm just praying I passed it. I don't know, do you know what I mean? It could go either way. I've got my doubts I've passed, but I don't know. I just don't know, do you know what I mean? I'm just praying I've passed, basically. I don't know whether I have or I haven't, but I'm praying I have. But I've got another reset anyway, but it's tiring, man. I don't want to do another reset. I want to pass this time around, because it takes a lot of effort to prepare for this, and I'm praying I've passed. That's all I can say for the object oriented programming. And the software testing, I'm going to do a lot of revision for that one when it comes around, the reset. So we'll see how it goes. Then there's the next module. I'm not sure what the next module is. I'll have to check that out when I get a chance. That will start next week. See how easy or hard that is. It seems to have gradually got harder and harder. So maybe they're putting it in terms of hardness. I don't know. Maybe they are. Maybe they ain't. Maybe it's just random. I don't know. But I know the last unit, the software testing, was very hard. So we'll see how it goes. But yeah, that's all I want to say, guys. I'm going to go now because of the time. I don't want to wake all my neighbours by talking loads. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Take care. God bless. Much love, and I'll be back soon. Take care, guys. Love you all. Thanks for supporting the channel and me. Appreciate you all. Love you all. Keep you on my prayers. Wishing you the best. God bless, guys. Take care.